Nah, I'm just playing with y'all. What up, y'all? It's your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. I had to channel my inner art department, Greg, the T-shirt preacher. But nah, guys, if you want to see a dope hoodie get unboxed, I'm about to unbox this hoodie in this video. We'll get to it right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what you do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time. All right, man, I got a dope package here. I was looking forward to having this package before I actually went to Long Beach Expo. Didn't get it. Okay, I wanted to wear this in one of my talks, but it didn't happen. But no big deal. I got this dope In Kitchen hoodie. Make sure you check In Kitchen out on YouTube if you want to get some industry knowledge from some seasoned veterans, for some new people coming up. In Kitchen is the place to go, man. So check them out. I'll link it up down in the description right here. So nonetheless, I was waiting for this. I didn't get it, but it's here now. And let's whip out the scissors. Let's take a look at it. So this right here is from my man Greg Bozeman, Mr. Like-Minded, Diesel Loving, aka Art Department, right? Now, Greg's been doing this thing for a long time, man, putting in some work. You know what I'm saying? The last hoodie, the Frankenstein hoodie, was a hit. And this one right here, I thought was a hit too. So I had to have one right here. I love what he does with the strings to the hoodies. He always changes them out. Don't stop. Don't steal it. But let's take a look a little closer at this hoodie. All right. Woo! Okay. Check it out. All right. Thank you for your support. Acknowledge Raw Talent, man. I thought this Acknowledge Raw Talent acronym for the word art was powerful, man. Because a lot of us have raw talent, and sometimes we just need something to boost us along, kind of like help us bring it out, right? So in acknowledging raw talent and it being art, and it just works out really well. Art stands for acknowledge raw talent, meaning seeing the talent in a person was gifted. Seeing, my bad, y'all know I'm a little behind in reading, right? Seeing the talent a person was gifted with and giving them the confidence to acknowledge it and believe in themselves. Fire concept, fire creation. And this hoodie right here, woo! Look at this. Real artsy, man. Zippers on the sleeve for no good reason. Just stylish, but dope. All right. Got some of the raw talent here written out on some canvas attached to it. A little bit different, man. A little bit different. You got the patch on the side right there. Fire patch. The color scheme I like it because it's black. But the best part about this hoodie got to be these ropes. These ropes got to be the dopest part about this hoodie. But let's go ahead now. Oh, got the back print. Hold on. Got the back print. All right. Got the back print. Looking good. So the color scheme is there. The puff print on the front. Everything looking nice, man. All right, man. That's enough talking about it. Let's throw it on and see how it fits. Oh, man, look at that. Check that out. I'm feeling it, man. I feel like I can walk around. This is a soft hoodie. These are super soft. Like, I really like these. I really like this right here, man. I might have to steal this. Nah, y'all gonna steal this out there. I know how y'all get down. But nah, take a look, man. Dope sleeve print right there with the zippers on it. Nice style there. The puff. You know, puff always goes crazy. And then the dope back print. It's black, so that's my style. I had to have it. So shout out to my man Greg from the art department. Make sure y'all look him out. Listen, if you need a concept put together and you want something along the lines of the art, and you want to bring it to fashion, check out my man Greg. He's doing some dope designs, some dope concepts. He can probably help you put your concept together as well. Got a good style, good knack, good nose for it. Like I said, I've been around, seen him do the diesel loving, seen him do like-minded, and now this art department thing. I think he really found his niche, and I'm feeling this hoodie. The Frankenstein hoodie I had on at the show, that one was dope as well. So I hope you guys like it. Check out his YouTube channel. I'm gonna link it down in the description below. Go give my man a follow. Let's get him to 100K off of this video. It's been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace. Acknowledge raw talent in every situation. I'ma do my own mix cause they be hating. I'm out here trying to do what I gotta do to get my family through. I'ma do what I gotta do for the 1-2. I'm chilling with the art department, putting my art on the shirt. I swear I'm an artist. Wait a minute, no I'm not. I'm just a hustler. Got it out the mud, ain't no playing, I'm a hustler. Gotta get it for my kids, for my fam. Forget what they stand, I'm still the man. I'm not even going curse cause my boy JT said don't. But I'ma keep it real cause they won't. Yo, all I want to do is see you win. Even if you hate me, I still want to see you win.